Before your children start quietly asking themselves whether you're still safe living alone, check your functional independence now. Because once standing up becomes difficult, it may not be long before your family starts stepping in and making decisions for you. There's a simple chair test you can do right now. It only takes 15 seconds. Sit down, cross your arms, and let's test it. Sit in a firm dining chair. Cross your arms tightly over your chest. Do not use your hands to push yourself up. Now stand all the way up and sit all the way back down. You're going to do that 5 times in 15 seconds. Ready? Go. 3, 2, 1. If you had to uncross your arms to cheat, or if you couldn't finish 5 reps, your lower body power is failing. But here is the fix. You can rebuild this muscle today. Practice slow, controlled chair squats, barely touching the seat before standing back up. Tell me your exact number of reps in the comments and subscribe to keep your independence.